Varun Jain. Varun Jain survived a car accident in which he lost 3 friends, and he himself had to come to terms with living with paraplegia. It was not easy for a young man on the threshold of life, a ramp model and singer, to accept that disability was now a way of life. But accept it he did, and since then his motto has been to live life to the fullest, and this positive energy is infectious.
If he thinks he wants to do something, he will do it. That's the spirit he has, and he's given that spirit to all of us.
One day I decided, no, whatever has happened to me, I cannot let my life go like that. From that day onwards, I wiped my tears and took everything as a challenge. And then I had reached a stage where I was absolutely independent.
Going back to college, he began to pursue afresh his interest in dramatics and music. His next goal was to make himself financially independent and contribute to the family, so he began to assist his father in the family business. But for Varun, life was also about pushing the envelope. River rafting, which earned him a place in the Limca Book of Records as the first paraplegic river rafter of India, an expedition on a quad bike, the setting up of an NGO, Breaking Barriers, have been part of this effort. It has now become important to Varun to use adventure to underline the possibilities for people with disabilities.
In between, he had the courage to go for river rafting. The first time we coined this idea, we were totally against it, because that's not easy. If you are having a raft and the river suddenly tilts over, things could be very dangerous because you cannot swim. But anyway, he was very adamant. He persuaded everybody.
I completed 14-kilometer journey by rafting and by kayaking, and there was a stretch in which I swam also. I decided to do a road trip on a quad bike. It was a total 115-kilometer stretch. This was just an example. I wanted people to see it as a medium, that anything is possible in this world.
Varun Jain, winner of the Covent Care Ability Mastery Award 2011.